Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use prominent fonts in Canva. This is a great way to make text stand out and grab attention in your designs. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, if we want to add a prominent font, we start by adding some text and clicking the Add Text box. We just need to make it bigger so it is easy to notice. All we need to do to make it prominent is to pick a font that is big or thick. For example, a thick or heavy font works really well. We will be choosing this one. As you can see, it is very thick and bold. A prominent font is a typeface designed to be immediately noticeable, bold, and easy to read. It is often used to create a strong visual hierarchy. The purpose of using this font is to apply a bold and eye-catching style in Canva. This helps us highlight key messages, improve readability, and create a strong visual impact in our designs. Whatever text we use, once it is thick or bold, it is called a prominent font. That is how we use prominent fonts in Canva. With this simple technique, we can make our designs more engaging and visually powerful.